Let me tell you the secret to start your business with zero inventory.
Did you know the global e-commerce industry is expected to hit a whopping $8.1 trillion by 2026? But here's the thing, starting an online store doesn't have to be complicated, expensive, or involve holding inventory. Today, I'm going to show you 6 ultimate ways to start an online store without any inventory. Let's dive right in. First up is one of the most popular methods, dropshipping. You sell products through your online store, but the supplier handles the inventory and ships items directly to your customers. Some big advantages of dropshipping? It saves time and costs, allows global delivery, and lets you sell products across multiple niches. You'll need to ensure your suppliers are reliable since you won't have direct control over stock quality or shipping. The second method is print on demand or POD. This lets you sell customized products like t-shirts, mugs, or notebooks without holding inventory. Here, your designs are printed only after a customer places an order, and the printing company handles everything, from production to delivery. Profit margins might be lower compared to other methods, but if you've got unique designs, the sky's the limit. Number 3 is affiliate marketing. Instead of selling your own products, you promote someone else's, and when they make a sale through your referral, you earn a commission. Affiliate marketing is easy to start, doesn't require inventory or shipping, and can provide passive income. But to succeed, you'll need to focus on niches with low competition. Moving on to Fulfilled by Amazon or FBA. You source products, ship them to Amazon warehouses, and they handle packing, shipping, and even customer service for you. FBA comes with higher shipping costs and limited brand recognition. Still, it's a powerful option for scaling your e-commerce business. Now, let's talk about digital products and services. You're creating and selling things like ebooks, online courses, or even memberships without any physical inventory. This method is ultra-low cost, flexible, and can bring in high profit margins. The opportunities are endless. Finally, we have third-party logistics. This is where you outsource inventory and shipping to reliable logistics firms, known as 3PLs. 3PL offers high-speed delivery, reduces shipping costs, and manages warehousing. But, like with dropshipping, it means less control over stock or delivery times. So, how do you start your online store without inventory? Choose the right business model, find a niche, build your e-commerce store, and don't skip marketing. Like every business, selling online without inventory has its pros and cons. Pros: you save time, reduce costs, offer diverse products, and scale globally. And that's it, 6 powerful ways to start your own online store without ever worrying about inventory. If you're ready to launch your store, subscribe to this channel for more tips, and don't forget to like and share this video.